Now that we have grasped the basics of layout and composition, it is time for us to look at grids, which are the essential feature to give us a sense of proportion in the page and help us to build our layout. Let's have a look at some of the anatomical feature which we'll come across. Firstly, the margins, which gives us a way of position our main layout within the design space, but also some functional reasons as well. If we were working on a book or magazine, for example, we need margins on the outside edge of the pages because that's where somebody would hold the page. Secondly, which are the columns, which will help us to divide up the horizontal space in a layout and gutters the space in between those. Give it a way to pace out those columns. Don't think that we have to stick content exactly within there. Like within everything else, they are just guides. Talking of guides, there is something else that can be introduced to space out our layout into different divisions of the page, and we can add flow lines to those that give us a way to examine the way we are going to present content to the reader in a flow. When we join this together, we end up with sectors. The sectors can also be expanded out into visual spacing areas and somewhere that we are going to put kind of content. For example, if this was a technical publication, I might have small annotations down one side just arbitrarily, but they can help us in any way to work out and make sense of where we are going to position elements. Do use grids. They are there to help us, but remember what I said, they are a guide, not a strict set rule.